Hello friends, welcome to Shri Coaching Classes. As you all know, we are starting our online lectures on behalf of our staff of Shri Coaching Classes Vidyanagar Karad. So here I am going to teach you the next topic in the mathematics. Okay, till now we have seen the same basic concepts in the maths, in the geometry. Okay, what were there? Yes, there were point, okay, line, ray, plane. Okay, then we have seen some figures such as triangles, quadrilaterals. Okay, then what we have seen, the next parts, okay, angles, pentagon, hexagon. Okay, now that part was of the sum of the construction part, or we can say it as a geometry part. Today we are going to see the most basic part, which most of the students get confused about it. Okay, now what is the maths? Okay, counting is maths. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, this is the most basic part or the most important base part of the mathematics. You should know the calculations, how to do the calculations. Okay, now I can say that everyone knows about the addition, subtraction. Okay, no need to teach you. Up to 4th standard you have learned about the addition, subtraction, how to add, how to subtract. Okay, addition means we have to add the another number. Okay, subtract means we have to release the number, we have to less the number. Okay, now the next part of that calculations is multiplication and division. Okay, so today we are going to see the next part, that is the multiplication. Multiplication is nothing. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but the next part of the addition. Means the number gets increases. The number increases. As in addition we add two numbers and the number get increased. In such a way multiplication also the number gets increased. But multiplication is something different. Okay. So what we will see. Now up to 4th standard you have all learnt. Okay, multiplication by 3 numbers by 2 numbers, okay, or 2 numbers by 1 number. So today we are going to start from the all that base part. Okay, first we will see all the tables. Okay, students, in this part multiplication you should know the tables. Tables are very important. Now you will say you are now in, suppose we can say that today those are watching, they are from 5th standard. Okay, 5वी पासूनचे पुढचे मुलं असतील सगळे. तर 5वीच्या मुलाला कुठपर्यंत टेबल्स आले पाहिजेत, कुठपर्यंत महत्त्वाचे, तर आपल्याला 25 पर्यंत बेसिकली तुम्हाला इम्पॉर्टंट आहे टेबल माहिती असले पाहिजे. त्यामुळे काय करायचं, सुट्टीत काय करणार तुम्ही, तर रोज एक टेबल पाठ करायचं. काय करायचं, रोज एक टेबल पाठ करायचं. माय हंबल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल माय डिअर पॅरेंट्स इज please tell your student or please tell your child to learn the 25 up to 25 tables, and you should take their test. You should time to time you should ask them how many tables are there. You should ask to say them how many tables you have learned. Okay, so it's your responsibility that you should take up to 25 tables from the students. Okay, they should learn up to 25 tables. So if you will know these 25 tables, then only you can calculate the multiplication and the division. Otherwise you will not be able to solve the multiplication and division problems. Okay, so my humble request to all my dear parents that please make your child to learn these 25 tables. Okay, सर्व पालकांना एक नम्रतेची विनंती आहे की त्यांनी त्यांच्या मुलाचे 25 पर्यंतचे टेबल्स पाठ करून घ्या. पाठच झाले पाहिजे, तोंडपाठ आले पाहिजे. कुठलाही टेबल सांगितलं की तो त्याला आला पाहिजे. हे जर केलं तरच मॅथ्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. हे जर नाही जमलं तर मॅथ्स तुमच्या मुलाला जमणार नाही. सो जे कोणी पॅरेंट्स बघत असतील त्यांनी प्लीज किंवा मुलांनी सुद्धा सिरियसली घेऊन 25 पर्यंतचे टेबल रोज एक टेबल करायचं आणि लिहून काढायचं. ओके, so now we will see the basic part of the multiplication. We will start it from the double and the single number. Okay, so first we will take the multiplication of 2 by 1 number. Okay, so 2 number digit. Okay, we will take this as 17. Okay, and the 1 digit number we will take it as a 3. Now we have to multiply this number. So a direct method of multiplication we will see here. Okay, so first step, you should write this second number up to its units place. Okay, as we know that every figure has a specific name, that in the numbering or in the calculations every number has its own place. You should write that number in their own place. Okay, and that all you know that units place, tens place, thousand place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Okay, in such a way you should arrange that numbers. Okay, now 17, here the 7 number is, what is the 7 number? The 7 number is at the unit place, 1 number is at the 10 place. Now here it is a single number, so 3 means the unit place, 3 is in the unit place, so the 3 should come under the number which is in the unit place. Okay, we know that 7 is unit place and 1 is at the tens place, so 3 should come under the 7. Otherwise some students write the 3 number under the 1. कधी कधी काय होतं की मुलं काय करतात, हा 3 नंबर 1 च्या खाली लिहितात, ते काय चुकीचं आहे. 3 नंबर काय युनिट्स प्लेसला आहे, 7 पण काय युनिट्स प्लेसला आहे, तर तो युनिटच्या युनिट खालीच आला पाहिजे. हे पहिल्यांदा शिकलं पाहिजे, पहिल्यांदा अरेंज करायला शिकलं पाहिजे आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग आपण पुढचे कॅल्क्युलेशन करणार आहे. ओके, नाव okay, so now we will see how to calculate. Now the 3 number. Okay, you should know the table of 3. तुम्हाला 3 चा पाढा माहिती पाहिजे, 10 चा टेबल माहिती पाहिजे. मग पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं, इकडून सुरुवात करायची. ओके, मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना काय करायचं, या साइडून मल्टिप्लाय करायला सुरुवात करायची. 3 into 7. ओके, 3 into 7 किती आहे, 21. ओके, हा 2 काय आहे, तर हा कॅरी ऑनचा आहे. ओके, इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट एज अ कॅरी ऑन. इन मराठी द वर्ड वी मोस्टली इज यूज एज हातचा. ओके, कॅरी ऑन, तुम्हाला जे काय बरं वाटेल ते म्हणा. ठीक आहे, मी कॅरी ऑन म्हणतो. सो आपण 2 नंबर आहे, 1 नंबर आपण इथे घेतला, 2 नंबर कॅरी ऑनला टाकला. ओके, नाव 3 ने 7 ला गेलं, आता नेक्स्ट आहे 7 च्या नंतर 1 आहे, मग 3 into 1 किती येणार, 3. ओके, 3 into 1 3, and we should add this upper number, carry on number we should add upon this. Okay, so 3 plus 2 what happens, 5. Okay, so multiplication of 17 multiplied by 3, the answer we get is 51. Okay, do everyone understand? So now we will take the another number, same. Okay, 2 digit multiplied by 1 digit number. So what we will take, we will see here 36 multiplied by 5. Okay, 36 multiplied by 5. I have written the 5 number under the units place. 6 is also unit, 5 is also at the unit place, so I have written that numbers one upon each other. Okay, now multiply 5. You should know 5 table. So first we will see 5 multiplied by 6. Okay, 5 multiplied by 6, how much, it becomes 30. So we will write a 0 number here, and that second number we will take it as a carry on. So the carry on number should come upon the next number. Okay, carry on चा काय झालं पाहिजे, जो पुढचा नंबर आहे त्याच्यावर तो कॅरी ऑनचा नंबर गेला पाहिजे. ह्याच्यावर घ्यायचा का नाही, कारण की नेक्स्ट कॅल्क्युलेशन आपलं ह्याच्यावर असणार आहे, म्हणून ह्याच्यावर काय घ्यायचा, तो नंबर गेला पाहिजे. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. वी विल मल्टिप्लाय 5 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 3. ओके, व्हॉट बिकम्स 5 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 3, 5 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 3 15, and we will add this number 3. Okay, what we will do, add this number 3. So 15 plus 3, it becomes 18. Okay, so what is the answer, 36 multiplied by 5, we get 180. Okay, So now we will as we have taken the two digit number by one digit number, now we will take the two digit number by two digit number. Okay, so what will happen if we take two digit by two digit number? I will take 87 multiplied by 12. Okay, this is two digit number multiplied by two digit number. Okay, then as you know, what are the steps? Our first step, we have arranged the numbers properly in proper order. Okay, so first left hand number we will multiply it by the above two numbers. Then what will happen? Now 2 multiplied by 7. What is 2 multiplied by 7? It becomes 14. Okay, 4, and the 1 goes here, the carry on number. Okay, so again 2 into 8. Oh, okay, 2 into 8, what happens? 16, and that one number which is carry on we will add in the 16, then it becomes 70. Okay, so this step we know all, we have seen in the previous problem. Now the second digit number, okay, at the tens place, what we will do? So see here, we have to first take a zero number. Okay, for the second number we have to take zero number at its units place. Okay, this is very important, you have to remember that while multiplying the second number we have to first take 0. Okay, then we will start to multiply this number by the above two numbers. So 1 multiplied by 7, what happens? It becomes 7, and 1 multiplied by 8. Okay, here there is no any carry on number, so 1 multiplied by 8, it becomes 8. So now these two lines we have to add. Okay, we will add this. So what happens? 4 plus 0 we get 4, 7 plus 7 we get 14, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 it becomes 10. Okay, so the final answer we got is 1144. So 87 multiplied by 12 we get 1044. Okay, such that see here we have taken two digit number multiplied by two digit number. Okay, so have you understand all the steps? Okay, same steps we have to follow for the three digit number multiplied by two digit number. Okay, so one digit will just add here. Okay, but the steps will be same. Okay, so we will take next number 639. Okay, then multiply by, we have to arrange it properly. See the what will take 75. Okay, 75. The 5 is under the units place, 7 is under the tens place. Okay, as we have arranged these numbers, now we will start our first step. What is our first step? We have to take that left hand number, we have to multiply by all these three numbers. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? हा पाचवा हा लेफ्ट हँडचा जो पहिला डिजिट नंबर आहे तो काय करायचा आहे? ह्या तिन्ही नंबरशी मल्टिप्लाय करायचा आहे. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हेरी सिंपल. सो वी विल स्टार्ट 5 multiplied by 9, it becomes 45. So 5, and here the carry on number goes upon the 3, means the next number. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 3 we get 15, and 15 plus 4, what is 15 plus 4? 15 plus 4, 19. So I will write here 9, still one number is there, so the 1 will go to this carry on number above that number. Okay, so 1 is above 6. तो कॅरी ऑनचा नंबर काय केला? हा पुढचा नंबर आहे म्हणून या नंबरच्या वरती गेला. ठीक आहे, सो विल डू द अनदर स्टेप. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 30 plus 1 we get 31. Okay, what we have got? 3195. Okay, so please remember what we have done while before starting the second step. We have to add a 0. Where will add a 0? At the unit place. Now we will start the multiplication of the second number. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 9. Okay, 7 multiplied by 9 किती होणार आहे? 63. 7 multiplied by 9, it becomes 63. So 3 and here 6. Okay. So next 6 has gone up to the carry on above the 3. Okay, for carry on for 3. So 7 multiplied by 3, 21. 21 plus 6, it becomes 27. So 7 comes here and the 2 goes to carry on. Where it will go? It will go above the 6. So 2 will become here carry on. 7 multiplied by 6. What happens? 7 multiplied by 6, it becomes 42. Now 42, we have to add this 2 in 42. It becomes 44. So there is no any another number in front of 6. So we will write that directly here 44. Now what is the other step? We have to add this. Okay. Now we will add starting from the left side. While adding, we have to start from the left side. So 5 plus 0, it becomes 5. 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3? 12. So 2 will come here and the 1, the carry on will go here. Okay. Next 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So 9. 3 plus 4, 7. So we will write here 7. 0 plus 4, 4. What is the answer? The answer we got 639 multiplied by 7. We got 47,925. Okay. In such way, we have to solve the multiplication problems. Okay. So first what we have seen, 2-digit number multiplied by 1-digit number. Next we have seen 2-digit number multiplied by 2-digit. Okay. Now we have seen 3-digit number multiplied by 2-digit number. Okay. Very simple. Okay. It is not any difficult. It is not anything to worry about it. Okay. Just concentrate. Just remember the steps what we have to do. Okay. Now we will take the hardest part. Okay. For you, we will take 3-digit multiplied by 3-digit number. Okay. It is not very hard, but we have to see what the steps are there. Okay. So one step will increase over here. Okay. So we will take the next part or the next problem, which is 3-digit number multiplied by 3-digit number. Okay. Let us take the highest 3-digit number. What is the highest 3-digit number? What will be the 3-digit number? Okay. What is the first 4-digit number? What will be the first 4-digit number? The first 4-digit number will be 1000. Okay. 1000. It will become 4-digit number. Before that, one number comes, that is 999. That is 999. Okay. That will be your highest 3-digit number. So we will take this 999. Okay. So 999 multiply by what we will take? We have to take 3-digit number. Okay. What we will take? Let us take 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, we have to solve. Okay. You know all the steps. Yes. Do you know all the steps? Okay. What will be your first step? First step, we have to take the left hand side number and we will multiply it all by these 3 numbers. Okay. पहिला लेफ्ट हँड साईडचा नंबर ना पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं आहे, तिन्ही नंबरला वरच्या मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. सो नाव वी विल मल्टिप्लाय इट. 3 multiplied by 9 becomes 27. So 7 will come here and 2 will go to the carry on for the next number. Okay. Again 3 multiplied by 9, what becomes? Again it will become 27. So 27 plus 2, what will be 27 plus 2? It will be 29. Okay. 9 and again for the next number 2 will go for carry on. Okay. Again 3 into 9, 27 and that 2, 29. So directly we will write here 29. There is no any number after 9. Okay. This will be your first step. Okay. Now second step. We have seen the second step. What we have to do second step? When we take the second number, okay, when we have to take the second number for multiplication, first we have to add a 0 on its units place. Okay. First we will add 0. Yes, we have taken 0. Now we will start to multiply by 2 by all these 3 numbers. Okay. Let us start. 2 multiply by 9, it becomes 18. What becomes? 18. So 8 will come here and the 1 will go for the carry on number. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 9, again it becomes 18, but 18 plus 1 it will be 19. So 9 will come here, again the 1 will go to the carry on number. Okay, again 2 multiplied by 9, what will become? Again 18, and again 18, that 1 will add in 18, it will become 19. There is no any number in front of 9, so directly we will write here 90. Yes, do you all get it? Up to this all students get it? Okay, do you have get it? Okay, now the third step. Okay, see, look here, while the first number there is no any 0, okay, while second number 1 0. So what will happen when it will be third number? When it will be third number, there will be how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, see, again I will repeat, when it is first number there is no any 0, when there is second number we have to take 1 0, and when there is third number we have to take 2 zeros. So the first 0 at the units place and the second at the tens place. Okay, now just multiply 1 by this number. 1 multiplied by 9 becomes 9, 1 multiplied by 9 becomes 9, 1 multiplied by 9, again it becomes 9. Okay, now what will be there? As we have taken as we have seen in previously example, we have to add this all. Okay, now we will add it. What will become? 7 plus 0 plus 0, it will become 7. 9 plus 8, what will it become? 9 plus 8, it becomes 17. So 7 will come here and the 1 will go carry on. Okay, it will go carry on. So 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 1, how much? 28. So 8 here, and again 2 will go for the carry on. Okay, see, again for your 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So 2 here, again the 2 will go here for the carry on number. Okay, so 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, it becomes 12. Okay, do you all get it? Okay, this will be your last answer. What it is? 999 multiplied by 123, we get 1,22,877. Okay, yes. Okay, see, look again the steps what we have done. Just first step we have to see that we have to arrange it properly. Okay, again for the second we have to start with the first number at this left hand side, then multiply all these numbers by that one number. Again, while taking the second number we have to take 1 0. Again same steps, we have to multiply it right here. Okay, while taking the third number we have to take 2 zeros. Okay, and then again we will multiply it by the all these three numbers, and then last we will add this. This is the multiplication problems. Okay, very simple, very easy, but you have to be concentrate and keep in practice. Okay, you have to practice time to time. Don't see, don't look, just watch, or don't look at the problems. Okay, you have to solve in your notebook. Up to you will not start or up to you will not write in your notebook, you will not understand any of the problems in the mathematics. Yes, if you want to make your mathematics strong, you have to make your math strong, then you have to practice time to time. Okay, so this 5 multiplication problems you have to write in your book. Okay, or I will give you as homework. Okay, if you want homework, then I will give you. Okay, for homework you should solve Okay, these 5 problems you have to solve. If you will not understand, please ask me, please contact to me my personal number, or please give me in your comment that you have not understand. Okay, I will take it afterwards. Okay, so first watch it 2 times. Okay, if you not understand, repeat always. First understand the problems and then try to solve these problems. If any problem, you can ask me. Okay, students, you have to do your work, you have to practice, you have to study time to time. Don't be don't just play or don't just watch TV. Okay, you have to study for some time. Okay, तुम्ही थोडा वेळ तरी तुम्ही स्टडी केला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे, मी मागे पहिल्यांदा सांगितलं सुरुवातीला, जसे टेबल्स, आधी तुम्ही टेबल्स पाठ करा. टेबल्स पाठ केल्यानंतर मग तुम्हाला हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करायला जमेल, फास्ट जमेल. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही टेबल सॉल्व्ह करत नाही तोपर्यंत हे कॅल्क्युलेशन तुम्हाला जमणार नाही. सो फर्स्ट तुम्हाला टेबल्स पाठ पाहिजेत, त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला मॅथमॅटिक्समधले सगळे येणार आहे. ठीक आहे, सो टेबल्स आधी करा. ठीक आहे, ओके. घरी राहावा, काळजी घ्या, बाहेर फिरू नका. ओके, चालेल. ठीक आहे, पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण काय घेणार आहे, डिव्हिजन घेणार आहे. ओके, ठीक आहे.